Hi there parents, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm going to help you solve this algebraic equation using the inverse technique, and we'll start it off by setting up this problem. 4x minus 47 equals minus 79. First thing I like to do is I like to draw a line between my equal sign like that, and there's a reason for this because I'm going to divide this equation into two parts. You're going to have this part here called the left side of the equal sign, and this side over here, the right side of the equal sign. You'll soon see later on why this is important. Algebraic equations are like weighing scales. Left side, whatever you do on the left side has to be balanced out on the right side as well. And I'll show you this step by step as we try to solve for the variable x. 4 times some number, minus 47, is equal to minus 79. We need to solve for x. And I've always told the students that to think of algebra, in order to solve for a variable, it's extremely important to get rid of all the numbers that are blocking your way. Because ultimately, what you want to do is free the variable. In other words, in this case, x, the final answer must be x on its own, by itself, independent. And right now, it is not on its own. It has the constant 4 stuck to it, it has minus 47 blocking it, and it has the minus 79 to deal with. So, step by step, we're going to have to remove all these obstacles in our way. Let's start by using something called the inverse technique. Take a look at this. 4x is on the left side of the equal sign, and that is good. Variables, that means letters, have to be on the left side of the equal sign. That's where they should always be. However, numbers like this, minus 47, should not be on the left side of the equal sign. They should be on the right side. And the only way to remove numbers is by tackling it with another number. And the only way I can remove minus 47 out of my way is to take its inverse. In other words, its opposite. And the opposite of minus 47 is positive 47. This is called the inverse. Now, whatever you do on the left side of the equal sign must also be done on the right side of the equal sign. This is to balance the algebraic equation. So, since I did a positive 47 on the left side, I've got to do a positive 47 on the right side as well. This is extremely important. You've got to balance out the equation. Now let's do some math. Let's solve. Minus 47 plus 47 is 0. Cancels out. 4x is now free. You see? And you get the equal sign right here. And you do minus 79 plus 47. It is minus 32. And you can punch this in the calculator. So now, we've got minus 47 out of our way. We still have a number stuck to the variable. The number 4, as you can see, is still sticking close to the x. And we've got to get rid of that number 4. It needs to go. We need to break it off. And the only way we can break off a number from its variable is to divide with that same number. That's the only way we can break it off. And whatever you do on the left side of the equal sign, you've got to do this on the right side of the equal sign. Okay? How does this work? Well, let's take a look. I need to get rid of this 4. 4 divided by 4 cancels out and becomes 1. And x is now free. You see that? That's the only way to get rid of a number attached to a variable. To snap it off, you divide it off. So now x is equal to minus 32 divided by 4, and that is equal to minus 8. And there we go. That is our final answer for this equation. And you can substitute this into the x, put it in the calculator, and you find out 4 times minus 8, which is minus 32 minus 47 is equal to minus 79. And this would be the correct answer. And this is how you use the inverse technique. Thank you.